Today we're going to be looking at how to make an assignment with the new Google LTI 1.3 connection in Canvas. This is a great way to assign blank Google documents or already formatted papers to your students. If you want them to do a worksheet, if they're filling out a lab form, if they're filling out, a specific nursing form, you can have them get that exact layout here, and each student will get their own sheet that they'll be able to edit in Google Drive. Just a couple of things that I'd like to add before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to do this. External tools like this Google LTI or Lucid or a lot of the other external tools that we have in Canvas, they unfortunately do not work with group assignments. If you want to use a specific Google Sheet for a group assignment, let me know. There are alternative ways that I can set that up for you in your Canvas. Also, these assignments unfortunately will not work with a plagiarism detector. Now, as you go through the settings for Google, you will see that Google does have its own plagiarism detector. I can't really vet it much. There's not a whole lot of information on it, whether or not it's good or not, and it doesn't have an AI detector. However, whenever these submissions come into your SpeedGrader, they will be in a PDF form. That means you'll be able to download those submissions, and if you have the new CopyLeaks teacher scanning tool in your course, you'll be able to easily check those for plagiarism and AI. If you don't have that tool and you would like it, please drop me an email or give me a call. Just let me know that you'd like that tool and I can put that in there. So before you use these external tools, they are very cool and they have a lot of neat functionality, but they don't work with plagiarism and AI detectors, and they don't work with group work. Okay? All right, let's get into it. So first things first, you want to make sure that whatever sheet you want them to fill out is already created in your Google Drive. You can see this is just a Core 100 worksheet where they're going to type their answers into the boxes as they work through an ethical issue. Once you have that created, whatever it is, you will create your assignment in Canvas. Name it whatever you want, type in your instructions, and you're going to come down to submission type. Here, you are going to choose External Tool, Find, and scroll until you see Google Assignments LTI 1.3. The first time you do this, you will have to connect your account with Google, and you only have to do this once per semester. Once you're connected to your Google account, this Edit Your Google Assignment page will pop up. Here you can attach the file that you made for your students, or you can also create a blank document for them to use, a new doc, sheet, slide, or drawing. It all depends on how you want to set up your assignment. Make sure that you keep Canvas SpeedGrader turned on because we're using Canvas and not Google Classroom, and then click Update. Select, and you're done. Set up your assignment however else you'd like to do it. You set your points, set your dates, hit save, and there it is. You'll be able to see and open student submissions right from this page, or you'll be able to open them up in SpeedGrader. If you have any questions about Google LTI 1.3, you can of course always reach out to me. Happy building!